Hi, I'm Jim Hilgendorf. You know, in America today, we're talking an awful lot about borders and walls. And in this regard, I'd like to read a short passage from one of my latest books called Traveling to a New America. It's called Hurricane. A hurricane bears down once again. Enormous swaths of water spume and spiral over the waters and the landscape. The gods are angry once again. Yes, there are gods. A hurricane is a god. Crows clustering in bare trees are diviners and gods. The sun and moon are gods. They are all an extension of ourselves and move in silent paths through time and space and the universe to give expression to the fullness or contraction of a person's mind and heart. There is anger brooding over America. There's a tide of buried hatred, furious at anything beyond the boundary of one's own prejudices and likes and dislike, what one thinks of as a proper world, a decent world among allies and friends. And as our minds disintegrate, denying admittance to the billions outside our own comfortable spheres, the winds howl, the ocean churns, the sun blisters the drought-stricken land, even weeds struggle to move and breathe, and the birds and animals hide to escape retribution from the skies. As our hearts regress and our minds build impenetrable walls, nature, our mirror, lashes out with reflected anger and hatred. The pole caps melt and send tides of flooding waters toward the land. The oceans belch sargasso seas of plastic bottles regurgitating foul, deadly dreams. It is all ourselves. It is a pettiness and a denial of our greater self. It is the past hung onto and strangling our own better dreams. Hurricanes and winds and rain and fear penetrating the coasts. It is all within the human heart. Thank you.